Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to get your daily steps in, a walking pad is an excellent choice. This one is from Elseluck. I love how compact and convenient this walking pad is. So it's extremely portable. I use this in front of the TV or even at my desk in my office. It has a remote, so it makes it super easy to operate. All you need is to plug it in, flip this switch, and then turn it on. You can adjust your speed anywhere from 0.6 miles per hour to 3.8 miles per hour. So a very slow pace all the way up to a fast walk or even a light jog. It glides nice, it feels good walking on it. I don't find it too loud either, it's not distracting. You can see how easy it is to move even with one person, and it's very slim, so you can tuck it under a bed, under a couch, or even upright against a wall. So this makes it ideal for anyone living in an apartment, or if you have limited space. This won't take up a whole bunch of room the way a traditional treadmill would. It's rated for up to 220 pounds. I really like how reactive the remote is, so if I turn off the power, it will immediately slow right down. It also allows you to keep track of things like the time you've been walking or the distance you've walked. It gives you an idea of your calorie burn and then, of course, the speed you're going. So if you're also looking to up your daily step count or even just be able to move while you're stuck indoors, I think this is an excellent choice, and that's my point of view.